Welcome to YouTube, and welcome back to Wheelcraft Studio, your go-to destination for all things on wheels. Today, we're diving into something truly unexpected, bold, and a bit futuristic, the 2026 Honda Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right, Honda, known for its legendary Civics, Accords, and adventure bikes, is now entering the world of motorhomes, and they're doing it in style. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is currently being showcased in a stunningly sleek showroom, a space as futuristic and clean as the vehicle itself. With brilliant lighting, minimalist architecture, and cutting-edge displays, this isn't your typical RV dealership. It's more like stepping into a concept art gallery. And right in the middle, under a spotlight, sits the star, Honda's all-new interpretation of what mobile living should look like in the future. At first glance, the 2026 Honda Motorhome captivates you with its aerodynamic silhouette. It's a far cry from the bulky, square-bodied RVs we're used to. Instead, you're greeted by a smooth, flowing design, almost resembling a large SUV fused with a spaceship. The LED light strip that runs across the front fascia gives it a distinct identity, and the Honda emblem glows with subtle illumination. Sleek alloy wheels, flush door handles, and intelligent panel integration add to the clean, refined look. Step inside, and you're immediately transported to a world of premium comfort and smart living. Honda has reimagined the interior layout with Japanese-inspired minimalism and space optimization. Everything feels intentional, from the modular seating arrangements to the automated sliding partitions. Natural wood accents, soft ambient lighting, and eco-conscious fabrics create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a smart home on wheels. Equipped with Honda's latest AI assistant, the motorhome learns your habits and adapts lighting, temperature, and even music preferences. It features a full kitchen setup with an induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, and a collapsible dining table. The living space converts into a bedroom using motorized seat transitions, and there's even a retractable rooftop balcony for stargazing or sipping your morning coffee with a view. Under the hood, or rather, underneath the body, the Honda Motorhome is built on a next-gen electric platform. Dual electric motors power all four wheels, offering a smooth and silent ride. Range: Honda claims over 500 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to its new solid-state battery technology. There's even solar panel integration on the roof to supplement energy use while stationary. But it doesn't end there. Safety has always been Honda's forte, and this motorhome takes it to the next level with Honda Sensing 360, autonomous driving features for highway cruising, and an advanced emergency braking system tailored for larger vehicles. So whether you're a road trip junkie, digital nomad, or a family looking for freedom on four wheels, the 2026 Honda Motorhome brings a fresh perspective to the RV lifestyle. It's stylish, smart, and sustainable, a perfect blend of comfort, innovation, and mobility. This isn't just a glimpse of the future, it is the future. Stay tuned, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge automotive content, only on Wheelcraft Studio.